a table is created. Now I want to view the table, I want to retrieve that table. So we have seen in data retrieval we have a select command. So let me use select. We are going to see in detail about this. So here if we want to select only one column, two column, three column, we have to give a column names like column 1 comma column 2 comma so on from your table name. So what is your table name? So student table. So I can write a student table here. But what are the column names? The column names is student ID, mail address, name, age, and so on. But if I want to display all the columns here, instead of specifying column 1, column 2, column 3, I can write star here. It means pulling out all the column names from this student table. So let me select this and execute. Now you can see you got an output, but there are no value inside this, but you can see the column names here. So student ID, name, email address, age, and marks. So this select is your data retrieval language that helps you to get the column values from your table.